As you can see, this is a different day. I did a lot off camera with the car. Me making these videos is like a documentation to myself, and then for the future, just to kind of show people what I'm going to be doing. But I think maybe I'll do some install videos and some really tutorial videos if anyone's like interested in that. But for the most part, I'm going to do it in reverse. So this is what I've gotten done on the Miata so far. It's been tore down, like completely stripped, and I've been taking off like a few things here and there. So my main goal is to try to tackle this drivetrain today, and I think I'm gonna knock out, just drop the entire rear end as a whole, and then I think I'm going to do the front end. Get this out also with the brace. Pretty interesting how they did the Miata like this. Not really sure or why they did this. I guess somebody in the comments, drop it below, or I'll just look up on Google, one or the other, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, so we're looking good so far. The car itself, it's not that rusted, but I don't know. We'll find out. This car sat in the barn or grass, a very high grass area for like a year. I mean, frame rail, seen better days, but so far so good. Pretty good. Alright, so I had to go to work real fast and now I'm back on the Miata. I think I started with the rear end today and I got majority of it out. So I'm pretty excited about that. I think I'm gonna also get the car up all the way and get the front end out and go for there. If I get it tonight, then awesome. If I don't, I'll just re-upload this in a different video and whatnot. the last part, I think my camera died. But so far, there's one bolt right there on the passenger side, the driver's side, and there's 2 bolts right under there, and it should honestly start getting lower once I do, let's see. This is here. Let's see if I can go. Well, that's weird. Okay, well, wonder if there's something else there. Let's see. After taking off the strut tower bolts, taking off 4 bolts on the bottom in the front right here, and taking off 4 in the rear as well, I should be able to drop this down. Freak you. Let's see if I can pull it forward. Ooh. Too much, too much. And there you have it. One single piece. Let's go. Let's go. She's not a roller no more. Freak yeah. So I think I'm done for tonight. I think I'm gonna cut off the video right here, and let's say I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next. So I'll figure that out as I go, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace.